Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable and disable midnight sound mode for Baldur's Gate 3 and also explain what it does. And to do this we'll need to click on our escape and go for the options. Here you should be able to find the audio and there's midnight mode, you can activate or deactivate. What it does when it's activated, it will make all of the loud noises more softer so that you won't be able to wake up anyone in your house if you're using the speakers. But keep in mind that you also need to have the volume a bit down. But let me show you the comparison between these two modes, without and with it.